It's Friday, so weekend ahead. Have a good one, and we'll speak with you next week. Thanks indeed for joining us. Well, 18,660 is where we are leaving off. So what do you make of this closing? It's neither here nor there, not under, not above, exactly at the close. And I don't think the adjusted close will be vastly different or anything. Maybe a little lower, let's see. But we've got the market closing basically at the 20-day moving average. 62,959 on the sensex. The Nifty Bank on your screen about 0.25% lower. So the Nifty Bank actually doing a little better than the 0.5% cut the Nifty has seen. For the week, I think the Nifty will be down as well, about 0.8%. And I think the Nifty Bank will come up on your screen. For the week, the Nifty Bank is down about 0.75% as well. The small cap index ends down 1.25% for the second day in a row, more than a 1% cut. And it's a 1% cut for the week as well for the Nifty Bank. The Nifty midcap index, let's just take a look at it. Similar, 1.25% cut today, and for the week, down exactly 1%. Surabhi.
Well, Prashant, I'm just looking at the large cap screen to figure out where the bulk of the declines came in from. Metals were definitely a weak spot in the market with so much of uncertainty, interest rate hikes coming in many parts of the world. The Chinese central bank not doing too much beyond the small cuts that we saw. So Hindalco down about 3% today. Tata Steel down 1.5%. Beyond the Nifty, if you look at stocks like Nalco or SAIL, most of them have had a red close today. So metal is definitely a down and out space. In terms of the heavyweights that were falling under pressure, SBI, Infosys, L&T, these are some of the big boys that were dragging their feet pretty much throughout the session. Let's pull up Reliance Industries. Even Reliance down a whole 1%. TCS, ITC, none of your big batsmen were coming in and playing a good innings today. That didn't really happen. Maybe an Asian Paints was trying to do some damage control. Bharti, Airtel.
Yeah.
But clearly, Nigel, it wasn't enough.
It wasn't enough. But, talking about the lighter weights, they did pretty well. There's some few stocks that did well. 63 Moons went off to the moon, was up close on 20% today. Anthony Waste Handling, that stock was up close on 20%, locked in upper circuit. LG Balkrishna Brothers, remember the fear was that in the post-EV world, most of their products will not be needed. I understand a couple of brokerage notes have come out, some visits as well to the management, and the stock in this week itself, it saw a big run, 25% up in this week. That's LG Balkrishna, should come up for you on the screen. Landmark Post, that large trade was up close to around 9%. You have ICICI Securities that is up close to around 9% in trade today. And TD Power as well, a play on the capex cycle. If you're going to be putting up a power plant, you'll require a generator, which they make. So that stock was up close to around 7%. And Natco Pharma as well goes home with a gain of around 7%. So select winners will be, though this headline index was under pressure.
Well, that was the way the week has closed out, with a bit of caution coming back in. We have a weekend coming up for the bulls to digest all of this. So it's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell. But don't go anywhere, because the action continues. Our Friday special, Smart Money, coming up after this break.